To set up Sesame with a switch, first connect a switch. Go to your Bluetooth settings. Choose your switch. In this case, I will use the Praetorian Bluetooth button, the I switch. Once it's connected, I can start using Sesame with a switch. Go to the Sesame settings, choose the General tab, and scroll to the switch options. There are two options on the menu. One is to start the tracking using the switch. This means that while the tracking is off, if I click the switch, the tracking will start. The other option is enable switch mode. This will replace the timers with the use of the switch with the button. I will choose both to demonstrate. To start the tracking, I will hit the switch. Tracking starts immediately. To tap, I'll take the cursor to the icon I want to tap and hit the switch. As always, I can access the Home, Recent Apps, and Back button by looking to the bottom of the screen. To swipe, I will take the cursor to where I want to start the swipe, click and hold the switch, move the cursor to where I want to end the swipe, and let go of the switch. For example, if I want to play Angry Birds, I'll tap the icon, and click the switch wherever I want to tap. As long as I don't tap, nothing happens on the screen. I don't have to be concerned that an action will be performed. No action selection dialog, no timers, nothing. Take the cursor to the bird, tap and hold, and let go. To type, I use the same method. Go to the keyboard and type what I want. That's all there is to it.